Let's talk about why Python is so popular. In other words, what does it do that other programming languages don't? Python was made by Guido van Rossum and came out in 1991. It's really popular not just for computer programming, but also for people like math experts, data analysts, scientists, accountants, and even kids. It's easy to learn, which is why lots of students and others picks Python to start coding. Python is designed in a way to keep things simple and clear without adding any confusing parts. Lots of different people use Python for many things like checking out data, AI machine learning, and doing the same tasks over and over. For example, if you got boring stuff to do like moving files, renaming them, or uploading them to somewhere, you can write a Python script to do it for you. It's not just for computer stuff. You can use Python to work with things like Excel files, PDFs, and websites too. Python can also be used to make computer programs, mobile apps, or websites. It's good for testing software or even for hacking. So Python is a language you can use for lots of different things. Even if you have done some programming before, Python is a big deal because it's easy to use for so many different tasks. Python is super popular for a few reasons. First, it lets you solve complicated problems fast and with less code. For example, if you want to get the first 3 letters of Hello World, Python makes it very short and simple compared to languages like C# or JavaScript. Here is more about why Python is so popular. Less complex code. Python is straightforward. Yet powerful syntax makes even tough tasks easier. High-level language. You don't have to deal with tricky stuff like memory management, which is a big deal in languages like C++. Works everywhere. Python is cross-platform, so you can use it in Windows, Mac, and Linux. Big community. There is always someone to help you out when you're stuck. Lots of libraries and tools. Python has been around for over 20 years, so there are tons of resources, frameworks, and tools. Chances are someone has already built something you need. And at last, Python is versatile and easy to start with. It's great for beginners because of its simple and clear syntax, but it's also a multi-purpose language. Now the most interesting part. Python does things more simple and elegant than many other languages. That's why employees love it. And learning Python can lead you to lots of job opportunities. Plus, Python developers can earn a lot, on average about $123,000 a year. If you're thinking about learning Python, whether you're new to programming or already have some experience, it's a great choice because learning Python now it's a smart move and it's a skill in high demand. Thank you in behalf of CGEV. Please like and subscribe.